Good evening, traders. Hope each and everyone is doing very well. Welcome to my midweek market breakdown. I'm going to be breaking down my top six. I hope everyone is having a beautiful week and remaining positive at all times because that's what you need in this line of business. Okay, into the DXY, we're still into bullish momentum. Price is still committing towards the structure, which is on H4. It's more of like a continuation for bullish momentum. So we've got the 1, 2, 3 and shooting up. It is quite slow, but however, it is committing. So it's all a matter of patience. Okay, let's look into the first pair, which is pound NZD. Pound NZD, the price has evolved. On pound NZD, price has evolved. We were looking into price reversing from this point. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. Looking into price forming a continuation from this point, but however, price has evolved. So looking into how price has evolved, I was thinking price was pivoting, but however, I found a structure which is a 1, 2, 3. So I noticed that price is actually evolving. So this is my view into pound NZD. So we've got our top value area and our bottom value area and area of interest and a 1, 2, 3. So I wouldn't be taking any trades from this area. No, I'll be waiting for price to push back into the structure and then form a continuation below this area of interest. And I'll be looking to play this whole play. There will be beautiful opportunities presented if price does respect the dead touch. Okay, let's move on to pound Aussie. So pound Aussie, price has actually pivoted. On pound Aussie, price fails to respect this area and now it is moving into a strong bullish movement. So the market has made a pivot showing us the bearish trade ideas are no longer valid in this moment. Price is simply reaching for the above value area, which is this one. Let me move into H4 so you can see how the bullish momentum is moving strong. So I'll be looking for bullish continuations on pound Aussie. Let us move on to the next pair, which is pound dollar. On pound dollar, nothing has pivoted. Actually looking for an opportunity to scale in. So on pound Aussie, we've got price respecting this continuation and then impulse and then creating a correction. And then it is struggling to play this correction. However, I was looking for price to push and make a continuation, but it isn't too late for that to happen. Price could just simply respect this point and push continuation, and then we play this whole play, and that could make a beautiful trade. NZD dollar. On NZD dollar, we still got the beautiful structure which is playing. We still got a beautiful view which is playing. So prices has just passed our inflation point and reaching for the value area at the bottom. Okay, as we move on to H4, there is nothing on H4. Okay, H1. On H1, price formed a continuation, three touch continuation, which I would have taken because it's got a retrace candle. However, this happened around 2 a.m. and I was sleeping, so that's why I missed the trade. So there was nothing I could do about that. I missed the trade because this happened around 2 a.m. And yeah, that is NZD dollar. CAD CHF. On CAD CHF, I was looking for bullish momentum, as you can remember on the Sunday market breakdown. Here we were looking for bullish momentum. This is the reason why we're looking for bullish momentum, because of this value area. But however, price has now pivot. So this is what we are looking into right now. I would have taken this trade idea that had formed here, which is clear on H1. We've got this two touch. We've got this two touch continuation and the retrace candle. So this would have been taken. and 15 pips would be good. Yes, and I'll be looking to be playing this whole movement minimum 4%, and then the whole play would have been 9%. But however, price has pivot, so now it is looking into bearish movements. So we dive into H1, and this is what we get. So I wouldn't mind taking a bearish continuation right there. And yes, this is CAD CHF. On the Euro Aussie, we've got price. On Euro Aussie, we've got price positioned in value area. Price fills the gap that it had missed from this two high, both highs, and it forms a 1-2. But however, it fails to make the third rejection right here. But however, it does reject from the value area at the top. But now it is struggling to commit towards doing a impulse correction and impulse. So I'm still not sure about Euro Aussie right now. It might happen that price might just move up and continuation and move up towards this value area. So this will make this an area of interest point. So let me move on to the additional pair. On the additional pair, I'm still looking for bullish momentum on dollar CHF. Nothing has pivot on this one. This might be a false signal for bearish movement. So still looking for bullish momentum. Thank you so much for diving into my midweek, and this is the pairs that I've got for the watch. Thank you very much, traders. I hope each and everyone has a phenomenal week. Let us remain positive and calm at all times. And yes, be neutral. Thank you.